Welcome to this comprehensive guide on managing tasks within EMP DJ. In the fast-paced world of event planning, staying organized is the key to success. Today, we'll explore a new EMP feature on how to efficiently create, assign, and track tasks to ensure every detail of your event is perfectly executed. We begin on the main Task Manager dashboard. This central hub provides an overview of all your ongoing responsibilities across various projects. To associate a task with a specific event, we first navigate to the Events tab on the left-hand sidebar. Here, you see a full list of your upcoming engagements. By filtering for New Inquiries, we can narrow down our focus. Today, we're looking at the 21st birthday for Susanna. Clicking on this entry takes us directly into the heart of the event's details. Within the Event Management interface, several tabs allow you to manage different aspects of the celebration. We'll select the Tasks tab. Currently, this event has no tasks assigned, so let's change that by clicking the green Add Task button. Precision is vital. We'll enter a clear and concise title, Download the Bridal Dance Song. A task is only as good as its deadline, so we'll open the calendar and set the due date for May 30th, 2026. Next, we need to decide who is responsible. From the drop-down menu, we'll assign this task to Paul Anthony. We can also set a priority level. For now, normal will suffice. Once satisfied, we click Save. The task is now live, clearly displaying the title, assignee, and due date. The platform also offers advanced customization. By clicking the cog icon next to Add Task, you can toggle options like priority pickers or note buttons, allowing you to tailor the task creation process to your team's specific workflow. But how do we keep track of everything at once? By heading back to the global Tasks menu on the main sidebar, you can see our newly created task listed alongside all others. The integration is seamless. Clicking the event title within the list brings us right back to Susanna's birthday page. From here, as the planning progresses, you can easily mark tasks as complete, edit their details, or even delete them if plans change. With these tools at your fingertips, you can move forward with confidence, knowing that every bridal song and birthday wish is precisely accounted for. Thank you for joining us for this look into streamlined event task management with EMP DJ.